Hello everyone, welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to explain very important topic, that is integration class 12 part 7. Let us see. So here the first question is what? Integration of 0 to 1 sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is a definite integration. So rule is what? First you integrate the given function and then apply upper limit and lower limit. Here given function is what? Inverse. So when there is an inverse function given, so simple technique is what? First you assume here any number that x equal to, so that this expression change into the here sine inverse, so change into the sine. If it is tan inverse, change into the tan, because sine inverse into sine theta is what? Theta only. So here put x equal to what? Theta. So if we put here x equal to tan theta, right? Then you know that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square. Theta is what? Sine 2 theta. So this is the formula, that is sine 2 theta is what? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of sine 2 theta, right? So if we put here x equal to tan theta, we get what? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So here this is 0 and this is 1. Here we are not changing limit, because after solving we will convert this number theta into x only, because here the function is what? Dx. So if we want not to change dx, then not need to change the limit. So here we are going for same limit 0 to 1. Okay. In last we will convert this theta in terms of x. So here we are getting what? This is sine inverse. And now this is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this is what? Sine 2 theta. And here dx no problem. Now we can write this is what? 0 to 1. And you know sine inverse into sine x is what? Only x. So sine inverse sine 2 theta is what? Only 2 theta. So we will write here 2 theta and dx. You know 2 is constant and this is 0 to 1. Now you know x is tan theta. So theta will be what? Tan inverse x. So we will write 0 to 1 and here tan inverse x dx, right? Now we have to find integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x. So you know well derivative of tan inverse x, we know 1 by 1 plus x square. But integration of tan inverse x we don't know. So for finding the integration of tan inverse x, we will use what? That is integration by parts. So we will use here what? From this is the 1. So we will assume 1 into tan inverse x. Now you know the islet: inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. So here algebraic, 1 is algebraic and tan inverse x is exponential. So exponential islet. So inverse, it is what? Inverse function. Tan inverse x what? Inverse. So inverse function is tan inverse x and this is algebraic, so we'll take this first. So inverse is first function and this is what? Second function. Now you know integration by parts is what? 2 is 2. And now integration by parts, so leave the first, that is tan inverse x. Okay. And now integration of second function. So second function is what? 1. So integration of 1 is what? X. So we will write here x. Now minus integration. Integration of what? Derivative of first. So derivative of tan inverse x, you know 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is 1 upon 1 plus x square into integration of second. So integration of second, that is 1, integration is what? X, and then this is dx. Limit is given what? That is 0 to 1. Now you see here, simple technique is what? Here we will get x and this is tan inverse x. Now this is x upon 1 plus x square. So when we put here, you see we are finding here. So first you find integration of this part. So if we put here integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx, right? So here just put t equal to 1 plus x square. You will get dt by dx equal to what? 2x. Because derivative of 1 is what? 0 and x square is 2x. So we can write here dx equal to what? Dt upon 2x. Now you know integration, this is x and 1, this is t and this is what? 2x and dt upon 2x. So we will write here dt upon 2x. So this x and x cancel out. So we will get what? 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t dt. And you know integration of 1 by t is what? Log t. Okay. So here half log t. So we can write direct integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into x. In mind calculation we can find this is what? Half log 1 plus x square. So we can write minus and this is half log t, that is log 1 plus x square. And here limit is 1 and 0. Now it is very easy because this is the definite integration. So just put the value of upper limit first. So x into tan inverse x, put x equal to 1. So this is tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. So first I am writing here tan inverse 1. So this is tan inverse 1 minus. Again you see here 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So we will get what? Minus half log 2. Now minus. When we put here lower limit is 0. So this will be 0. And here 1 plus 0 1. So log 1 is also 0. So we can write direct here what? That is 0. Okay. So now we can write 2 multiply. Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4 minus 2 into half. And this is what? Log 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel and this is 2 to the 4. So our correct answer will be what? Pi by 2 minus log 2. So pi by 2 minus log 2 is our right answer. Now see the next question. The next question 2 is what? Find integration of 0 to 1 x upon x square plus 1 dx. So again this is a definite integration. So first you find integration of the given function and then use upper limit and lower limit. So for this type of question just you put t equal to what? That is x square plus 1. So we will get what? Dt upon dx equal to simply 2x because derivative of 1 is 0. Now we will get dx equal to what? That is dt upon 2x. So now you see integration of 0 to 1. So lower limit is 0. So t is what? 0 square plus 1. We will get what? 1. And now upper limit is 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. And now this is x and x square plus 1 is what? T. And now this is what? Dt upon 2x. So this x and this x is cancel out. So we can write half integration of 1 to 2 and this is what? 1 by t dt. So we know this equal to what? 1 by 2 and integration of 1 by t is what? Log t. So we can write directly here this is log t. Upper limit is 2 and lower limit is what? 1. So now we can write direct this is what? Half. Upper limit 2, so we can write log 2 minus lower limit is 1. So this is what? Log 1. You know this is half and this is what? Log 2 and here log 1 is what? 0. So we will get what? Half log 2. This is our correct answer. Now see the third question. The third question is what? Integration of 0 to pi by 2. root under sine phi into cos to the power 5 phi d phi. So for this type of question, again simple technique is what? So this is a definite integration. So first we have to find integration of given function. Here function is root sine phi into cos phi phi. You know derivative of sine phi is what? Cos phi. So just you put t equal to what? Sine phi. So when we put here a t equal to sine phi, then we will get dt by d phi equal to what? That is cos phi. Okay. So we can write integration of 0 to pi by 2. So lower limit is 0. So here t equal to sine 0 is what? 0. In the same way here, this is pi by 2 sine 90, that is sine pi by 2 is 1. So this is 1. Now we can write root under t into, here given cos phi, so we will write here cos to the power phi into d phi. So d phi equal to what? That is dt upon cos phi. Okay. So now we can write integration of 0 to 1 root under t. Here 1 cos phi and this is cos phi is cancelled. We get what? Cos 4 phi. Cos to the power 4 phi. And you know cos is cos to the power 4. You know sine cos square theta is what? 1 minus sine square theta. So here cos 4 phi we can write 1 minus sine square phi to the whole square. So here we can write into, here my number is what? Cos to the power 4 phi. So cos square is what? 1 minus sine square. So this is 1 minus sine square phi is with t square. So 1 minus t square to the power whole square, and this is simply what? That is dt. Now you can see here. So this is 0 to 1. And now we are writing this is root under t into, this is 1 plus t to the power 4 and minus this is what? 2t square dt. So this is 0 to 1. So when we multiply root t into 1, we will get root under t. And this is what? Root t into t4. So t4 is 4 and this is power is half. So in multiply we are adding the power. So we will getting what? 4 plus half. T root t means t power half and here 4. So t4 into root t, that is t to the power 4 plus half. In the same way here minus. So this is minus and this is t. So this is root t into minus 2t square. So minus 2 into power 2 and here power half. So we will write 2 plus half, right? And this is what? dt. Now we can write easily, this is integration of 0 to 1. And here root t means what? T power half. Here t power 4 LCM we will take. So here 1. So 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 2. So this is what? T to the power 9 by 2. Again this is minus. And this is what? 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So this is 2 into t to the power 5 by 2. And this is what? dt. Now you know integration of x to the power n is what? X to the power n. You know this formula. Integration of x to the power n dx is what? N plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Right? So here we are finding t power half. Here we are finding definite integration. So no need to write here c. So t half. So half plus 1. So half plus 1 is what? 3 by 2. So we will write what? 2 by 3 into t to the power 3 by 2, right? So why here? This is, so here t power half, half plus 1, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 become here 2 by 3 and t power is what? That is 3 by 2. Again plus. here t power 9 by 2. So again formula is same, 9 by 2 plus 1. So 9 by 2 plus 1 was 11 by 2. So we will get what? 2 upon 11 and t to the power 11 by 2. Again this is minus, right? And this is minus 2 t power 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 plus 1 is what? 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, so here it is what? 2 by 7 and t power is what? 7 by 2. Now upper limit is given 1 and lower limit is given what? 0. So when we put upper limit 1, so t equal to 1, we will get what? 2 by 3 plus 2 upon 11 minus, and this is what? 2 into 2, 4 by 7. So this is what? Minus 4 by 7. Minus lower limit is 0. So this term 0, t is 0, here t 0 and here t 0. So all terms will be 0. So now we will solve these numbers, you know LCM. So 3 into 11 into 7, simple technique is what? This is the no common. So just multiply. So 11 into 7, 77. 77 into 3, 3 7 are 21 and 21 to 23, 231. Now simple root t 3 divide will get 77. So 77 into 2 is what? 154 plus again 11. So 11 divide we will get what? 7 into 3, 21. So 21 to the 42 minus here 7. So 7 divide we get 33. So 33 minus 4. So 4 3 are 12. 132. So now this is the plus. So this is 4 to 6 5 4 9 1 196 minus 132 upon 231. So this equal to what? 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. And this is what? 231. So our correct answer is what? 64 upon 231 is our right answer. Now see the next question, that is question number 4. So question is what? Find integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. So this is a definite integration. So first we find the integration of the given function and then we will use upper limit and lower limit. Here sin x by 1 plus cos square x, and you know derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So just put here that is t equal to what? Cos x. So dt upon dx equal to what? Minus sin x. So we can write dx equal to minus dt upon sin x. Now this is integration. Lower limit is 0, so cos 0 is 1. And here upper limit is pi by 2, so cos 90 is 0. Okay, and here sin x, so sin x and t is cos x is t, so this is what? 1 plus t square, and here dx. So dx is what? Minus dt upon sin x. So this sin x is cancelled out. So we will get to what? Minus of integration 1 to 0, 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. So finally we will get what? Minus integration of 1 plus t square, you know tan inverse t. So we will write here tan inverse t. Upper limit is 0, lower limit is 1. So here minus, just put the upper limit 0 first, so tan inverse 0. So we will get here tan inverse 0 minus tan inverse. Lower limit is 1, so this is tan inverse 1. So now you